Ever wondered what true, unadulterated luxury looks like when it's pushed beyond every conceivable limit? What if I told you there's a car? Not just a car, but a rolling masterpiece. So exclusive, so meticulously crafted, it redefines bespoke. Prepare to have your mind blown. This, my friends, is the Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail. And it's less a car, more a passion project, a love story brought to life on four wheels. Inspired by the intensely beautiful black Baccarat rose, this vehicle is one of only 4 commissions globally, making it a unicorn in the automotive world. Imagine dedicating for years to creating something this profound, built for a specific, visionary client. That's the Rolls-Royce coach build philosophy. Let's talk about the exterior. The True Love red paint isn't just a color, it's an experience. It's a multi-layered finish that shifts tones depending on how the light hits it, just like the real black Baccarat rose. And then there's the Hydroshade dark finish on the brightwork, developed specifically for this car, giving it an almost liquid, mysterious sheen. It's a symphony of subtle details that screams sophistication. Step inside and prepare to be utterly mesmerized. The interior parquetry is quite literally a work of art. We're talking 1,603 pieces of black sycamore wood veneer, hand-cut and hand-placed to create an abstract motif of falling rose petals. One artisan spent almost 2 years on this alone, working in 1-hour sessions to maintain peak concentration. That's dedication. And nestled right in the dashboard. A bespoke Audemars Piguet Royal Oak concept watch that can be removed and worn. Yes, a matching wearable timepiece that integrates seamlessly with the car. The Droptail also embraces duality. It comes with a removable carbon fiber hardtop. With the roof on, it's a sleek, dramatic coupe. Take it off, and it transforms into an open-air roadster, giving you 2 distinct driving experiences in one unparalleled machine. This level of adaptability, combined with a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, means it's not just a showpiece, but a powerful, exhilarating drive. This isn't just about speed or power. It's about art, history, and a level of personalized luxury that simply doesn't exist anywhere else. The Rose Noire Droptail, reportedly priced well over $30 million, isn't merely transportation. It's a legacy. It's a testament to what happens when limitless imagination meets unparalleled craftsmanship. If you could commission your dream Rolls-Royce, what story would it tell? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of ultimate luxury.